29, Bicol High School for the Arts and Culture, San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur.
Entry number 30, La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated, F. Pimentel Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte. President, Sister Amelita J. Sagud, OSA. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel George Daniel T. De Velez. Corps XO, Cadet Major Carl Justin Taura. Corps Commander, Corps S1, Cadet Major Princess Lorraine Paliles. Corps S2, Cadet Major Jaira Audrey De Mesa. Corps S3, Cadet Major Rian Joseph Posadas. Corps S4, Cadet Major Joaquin Caleb De Mesa. Corps S7, Cadet Major Lovely May Castro. Majorette Leader, Frances Antonia R. Osa. Band Leader, Lance Justin A. Laviste. Company Commander, Cadet Captain Nicolas Scott Lamoy-Laho. Company XO, Cadet Captain Justin Keith Zamudio. First Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Ruben Ahero. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet First Lieutenant Maria Mona Pagano. Safety Facilitator, Sergeant Ayon A. Saludes, Philippine Army Reserve. Band Advisor Coordinator, Kenneth Navea. Band Master and Trainer, Jimmy Dilampo. Assistant Band Trainer, Renzo Hinido. Teacher Jerry Chavez, Dominia Pasatiempo, and Michelle Villa. Entry number 30, La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated, the Pimentel Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte.
Yes.
Thank you. Entry number 30, La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated, F. Pimentel Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte.
Next entry number 31, University of Northeastern Philippines, San Roque, Iligan City.